this is how to mount our EasyRig Quick Release Retrofit Kit onto the EasyRig Quick Release. You'll basically get these 3 parts, the soft rubber cap, the aluminum cap, and the 2 screws. You'll have the elastics with the barb inserted. You'll select that during checkout, what kind you want. There's standard, which is just a bare rubber end for use with the hooks. And then there's the one with the barb that we install for use with this. So first, grab a 2.5 mil Allen, and you're gonna remove all these screws from the EasyRig piece. And you're gonna save those because we'll use those to put our retrofit cap on. Now there's a spring in here, so be careful, don't lose that. But you're gonna basically get rid of this, or keep it, you know, if you ever wanna go back for some reason. So there's your mechanism. That spring is what keeps you safe, keeps this plunger down. Basically when that plunger comes up, the balls kind of roll back and allow this to pass through. And then when it comes down, those little bearings in there keep this from popping out. With that spring in there, you're gonna line it up with this hole. So just making sure it falls in there. It's pretty easy to do. Press that down and get one screw started. That'll keep it on there. And just go around the outside. So you got the cap on there. Next, take your elastic, you're gonna put the soft plastic cap on and just get it out of the way. And now what you're gonna do, there's a threaded side and a through hole side. You just wanna line this barb up with that hole, and then take one of these pins with a 2.5 mil Allen, just like that, and get that started in there. And then you're gonna push this pin in to the hole of the barb, just like that, and then you're gonna screw that in. You might want to press down on the rubber just to make sure that pin lines up with the threaded hole on the other side. Give it a good little tight, not too tight. This cap will come over and it'll actually keep that screw from backing out just in case. And you'll press this cap on, and that's it. The cap kind of protects your hand when you're engaging with this, but it still lets you pull up on that mechanism. Now, if you ever get trapped, like a lot of people say, oh, I can't release the mechanism, you really have to make sure to push together. So lift your camera up and push your hand down, and then grab that trigger to come out. If there's any downward pressure from the camera pulling, it's really hard to lift this. So just make sure either put it on a table or have someone else lift it up for you. I just take one hand on the camera, one hand here, I push them together, and then I squeeze that release, and I can come out no problem.